This message is being transmitted at the request of the Arizona Emergency Management. At 5 p.m. Central Standard Time, it has been believed that the Palo Verde nuclear power plant in Arizona had failed reactor number 1, but cannot be confirmed at this time. As a precaution, residents from a 100-mile radius is recommended to stay in their homes. Stay tuned for more information. Go to an underground shelter immediately. This message is being transmitted at the request of the Arizona Emergency Management. The Palo Verde nuclear power plant failure of reactor number 1 is confirmed. The reactor is sending radioactive materials into the air. Residents living at a 100-mile radius of the plant should seek an underground shelter now. Do not go outside. You will expose yourself to radioactive materials. Get food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a flashlight, a battery-powered radio for 14 days. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation. This message is being transmitted by the request of the Arizona Emergency Management. The Palo Verde nuclear power plant that failed 14 days ago has been fixed and cleaned. It is now safe to leave your shelter as the radioactive materials are no longer in the air. We may continue to regular programming.